Okay, so we got a next question right here. A baking tray is an open cylinder of radius 15.5 centimeter with a rim. The outer edge of the rim is a circle of radius 16.5 centimeter, right? So calculate the area of the top surface of the rim. Okay, so basically we know that if we want to calculate just the rim, right, this is our basically circle right here, right, and this is our, this small piece is our rim, and we need the area of this rim basically, right, the surface area of this, basically the surface of the rim area, right? So we have been given basically the radius for like the whole cylinder, right, which is 16.5, and from the top it basically looks like circle, so we are gonna basically use the circle's area of circle, right? So it's pi r square, right? We know that, right? And they have given the basically the inside, not the rim radius but the inside radius, right, which is basically 15.5, right? So we're gonna subtract these both areas, like, because we're gonna get the full area and then we're gonna get this area, right? And then once we subtract these two, we're gonna get this basically the rim area, right? So first let's calculate the area of the whole circle, right? So basically we are gonna write a is equals to pi, and I have radius which is 16.5 square, which is gonna give me 108. I'm gonna write in fractions so that I can have a much accurate value, right? So 1089 by 4 pi centimeter square, right? Yeah, centimeter square. Okay, so this is my full cylinder area. Now we have to find the without the rim cylinder area, right? Or basically the circle area, you can say, you know, because they have shown it from the top of the side, right? So and they have named it as cylinder, but they have showing the top of the side, right? The top of the side is basically looks like a circle, right? So we are gonna next calculate the inside circle, right? So a is equals to pi r square, which is pi times 15.5, and then this is square, and then basically you get your area as in fractions as well. So 961 by 4 pi, right, centimeter square. Now we have to subtract these both to get the total area, right, of the basically rim, right? Yeah, rim. So basically rim. So basically you have 1089 by 4 pi minus 961 by 4 pi. So you get your answer as 32 pi centimeter square, or you want to write in value so you can round it off in three significant figures, right? So 101 centimeter square. So these are your two answers. One of them answer, you can choose any one of them, right? So this is your final answer.